Una want join us?
Yes, sir.
Una sabi shoot?
Yes, sir. We shoot to shoot film. The music video. If na music video, sabi people say I will not have a lot of money. We know respect. I been at your money.
Keep quiet. You don't shoot gun before?
Yes. We don't shoot gun. Last week, if you see people why I keep, we hate them. Get.
You don't do. How far about that operation?
Skippo, I put one ground for the man eye. I leave the wife for sniper, make it fuck him up. But that wife sweet too. I first choke her life, come on, I put for inside prison.
You don't do. I don't want you on a voice here again. When they hear me so, this operation will go now. We'll go fall everybody. Even fly, even ants. We go fall everything for that house. You hear me?
Excuse me, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry. I hear when I thought say fall now. That means say I want to keep people abi. I beg. The area where na they go. Which area? I say no be Mushin. Because my family dey there.
This can go with this so. Nothing like family.
Sir. Hey, family is number one. We don't join the group.
Lighter.
Yeah.
There you go. Hey, waiting for them. Hey, I need ya. I did talk now. I come on.
Oh boy, stand well before I forget.
Yes. Bro, I beg.
Wait, now I come on.
No.
Next time, very tough in our life. You dey hear me so?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
We dey go operation now. You dey hear me?
Yes, sir.
You dey hear me?
Yes, sir.
If any of una fuck up, now we go even follow now.
We no go mess up.
If any of una slack, now we go follow now.
We no go slack.
No try next time, As we dey go now, we dey follow everybody. We dey follow everybody. No ants. We dey alive for that place. You dey hear me?
Yes, sir.
You dey hear me?
You dey hear?
Better for you. Anytime when operation leak for this place, if anything Yaliwa mistakenly leak, if you confess negative about this gang, you go die. You dey cry?
No, I will cry for where? You dey cry? Cry of joy.
Better for you. For this gang, no betrayal.
Yes, sir.
No betrayal.
No betrayal.
And if they catch you mistakenly, tell them say I no dey fear anything. Talk
I don't fear anything. No, dey fear anything.
Take a light down. Talk one after the other. Talk
I don't dey fear anything.
Last mile. Talk your own.
No, dey fear anything.
You want people?
No, sir. Leave am. Na so they talk. Na so they talk. It's Tamara.
Let's make we leave am. If he even strong, if he get liver, should go well.
Sabi shoot.
Okay. Fire take. Take.
She know wetin dey shop.
Take your own.
Sir. I dey fast.
What is concern you fasting?
I dey fast. I no fit chop anything. I never.
If I handle you.
I never break.
Take am.
Sir, I never break. I cannot lie. I never break.
See.
Sir.
We can light am. Light am.
Swallow and make it reach ground.
Swallow am. You don't swallow am. Better. You know what you just do now? Now open na taste.
Coke out at the beginning.
Anything when you open now, betray this gang when I go die.
Who that? Yes, sir. We don't join them. We don't join them. We don't join them now. I thought you go. We don't join them now. I see follow you talk.
Well, I need that day.
Which is that?
If you fit tell me when I need that day, I go allow two of una go.
Sir, now you dey talk. We just join today. Now you just join. We don't do freedom. They never give us name. Now today we join.
When I need that day.
You think say you fit fear me?
When I need that day.
You think say you fit fear me? sir, see, let me confess, sir. See our guy, he get baby like this, right baby. In fact, if you get one operation when they go yesterday, they shoot one woman for it and you put the eyes for inside fridge. Yeah, guys.
You are betrayer like you.
No, sir, I no betray. Ask him. I'm just telling him that our gag.
Telling him what?
That our gag is strong. Our force, nobody can force us.
This one self. You never go operation, you don't die.
That's him. That's it. Life.
That's one bullet.
Una fit fear me. Sir, don't mind him, daddy. See, I got it. You understand? Anything you want, we are together. Hold on.
You are alone. Finish him up.
Gang shit.
Best man out there, Agent Shaggy. Meanwhile, as we keep reporting on everything.
Omo Baba Olowo. Waiting me 500 million wey Baba no fit pay. Baba na billionaire now. I mean no be 500 million, you know, they take go do shopping for Dubai. I mean no one make we say wear fine clothes. Eh?
You're wasting your time. One kobo you won't see.
Waiting you talk.
I said you don't know who you're messing with. Very soon it will be you and this supplement-induced baboon begging not to die.
Fine boy. My friend. You're there alright. You hear what he talk? He say we go to beg not to die. I be you think saying a toy gun be this? Eh?
Wait! Something, why they shouting in the place? But the guy yourself shout here now. Okay, I say oh yeah. He's supposed to say oh yeah. Ah, Oga, where you no be on Malay? Ah, God. I don't say them, I don't transfer you come Lagos. But you say you know they say fear bullet. That's why they waka for like pick up with one leg. Wait, why they say sir? Oga, make I know like you. I the fear gun. The fear gun. Okay, so you be gun phobia. Oga, see, man no like you. Eh? If I hear twice again like this, I don't pick race. Yeah. Hello, sir.
Agent Shaggy, engage.
Okay, copy that, sir. We shall engage.
Yes.
Copy that, sir. Syria Echo November, Alpha November. 1-2-1-2, left, right, north, and center. Really? Now me go first. Over there. Ghana engagement. Follow me.
Daddy's boy. Don't worry. The Baba go pay us that money. check that house.
Drop your gun! Drop your gun! Drop your weapon! I'll blow up your head! Listen, drop your gun! I'm not getting it! Very good. Drop your gun! If you move, I'll blow your head. Like that swat! Oh, very good. You have the subject. Yeah. Alright. Drop your gun! I said drop your gun! Drop your gun! Hey, drop your gun!
Who you be?
Very good. This is Agent Shaggy from Nigeria Squad. Our Syrian like you are better because I can kill you anytime. And this is my colleague, Officer Gejemu.
Yeah, that's right. Come on, guys. This is a crime scene, so lower your weapons, right?
Lower your weapons!
Come on.
Very good.
Oh, you look so cute.
Can I take a selfie with you before your arrest?
Gejemu!
You know what I mean? Don't worry, boss. We got this.
We got what?
Take his gun!
Hey, sir. I've dropped it.
Drop it! Drop the gun now!
I've dropped it already. That's what I've dropped it already. Okay. Sir, see, let me explain. We just join for at least. I don't like it. This gun is bigger than what they give us.
Your phone! Down there! Sit down!
Sir, that's our commander.
Come!
Agent Shaggy,
Sir.
do you have the subject?
Sir. Which subject? Is it Protect or is it here with economics? Sir, they have cash us. The gun they have is bazooka. Come and save us.
You are mad.
You have 48 hours. Or else!
Good afternoon, sir.
Shut up. God punish the both of you there.
Why they push me? Chris, come here, job. Okay. No, you no go ever calm down. See, we'll stay here. If you see anything we pass, just alert me.
If I say anything like this, I dey run inside, I can't tell you.
Go do it.
I go run inside, I can't tell you.
You go run inside. If they burn your papa well, you run inside. Get mad. In this sense, why go run inside? You know, I don't tell you who I want to go see. So if I deal with my baby now, where would they do it? You go run inside. You run inside now. You go see the way I go use knife, shoot that your esophagus. Okay, stay here. If you see anybody way pass, make I know. I'll give it to you 5.
For this kind of difficult mission, na 5,000 I go collect.
You collect 5,000.
Na 5,000.
For waiting.
For this mission.
You dey mad? Even DPO for Alagbo, if I give her 1,500, he go carry all the boys. They go come out 6 gates. They wait for me. They crazy. I'll give it to you 5 last.
Gami. If I see anybody they waka like this, I no get money to buy recharge card to call you.
So as you dey like this, you no get recharge card.
I no get to.
You no get recharge card.
I no get to.
So wait, if you wan call your girlfriend now, how you go take call her?
I go get.
You go get abi. If they born you well, make person just enter this house. Me, I don't know. If they born you well, take. My recharge card be this. Load am.
Why person go put recharge card for pocket? Walai, na in face they suppose put for the logo of Stingy Men Association.
You say wetin?
They read out the number.
If they born you well, make I dey come.
Gami go finish this day.
Let me officer what's this? What? Go Larry. What is it for this case now?
We come here. We can't do special investigation.
Nah, me be that.
Nah, me be that.
Hey, come.
Where una dey see this money? Come small soap for me too now.
No be only soap, na detergent. Shey you no chairman?
Who be chairman?
Oga Pius na.
Oga Pius wey dey your street.
Na him. He dey share money now like this. People plenty for there.
You mean say People still there.
People dey there like this now. You will come be police now. If you go there, no need to join line. Now straight.
Go collect my
No. Go, come now. Make a collect 1K from this money too now.
Maybe only 1K. This money I won't go is and pay my house rent. If you like, no go collect your own share.
Why you call the shy for me?
Go collect your own share.
So no be your fault now.
Yeah! Oh baby! Yeah! You go hear right today. See, as I dey like this, now mission to kill. I want kill you. Yeah! I miss you.
Wait, this is Shaggy. You know, sir, I don't miss you.
Come. What they do you now? Mission me down. Say no say because of you now I no go work today. If you get 1 billion now, we say you talk say me I can't collect 10 million today. I say no. Say I want to see my baby today. You I can't call you can't do it. Come I don't like am.
They say they get down, do this one, they do that. I be don't get another one.
I don't get any woman. I only you.
You dey just dey shake. Come. I trust this my oga. 2 hours he never finish for this place. Leopard blue. Lion king. Make I rush, make I just go collect my own money. They call oga no. He no go quick finish just. Make I no go collect my own money.
Where yours bad day?
Forget that one, you don't go Ikorodu this morning.
You don't go Ikorodu?
You know they come back today.
Where would you wait to run?
Oh yeah.
Today that finish okay. I want kill you. I want to murder you. Oh yeah, I have to cover your black. People like you to go like that well. Say na brand be this one.
Let me draw.
Why brand hard like this? Come na generator o. No, which kind brand be this? Why not be generator? Yeah, sir. Moku. Continue. Sir, actually I'm dry cleaner.
I know.
You know.
Continue dry cleaning.
Sir, I'm already on my way before you come.
Come sit down. Is it wrong with you? No. Continue dry cleaning.
Sir, there's no soap.
I know. Continue dry cleaning.
Let me say you go do.
What did you offer our visitor?
No.
I want to offer you something.
I don't want anything.
No, you need something.
Moku.
Let me get you bread, eh?
I'm already shop one. I'm already coming here. Yes.
Cool down, let me get you bread.
Please, sir, let me go.
Shut up! I take.
I don't like bread.
Eat. Continue! Yes, let me get you water. Come down, let me get you water.
Please now.
Take now, calm down. Eat bread. Let me get you water so that you wash your hand after eating bread. Let me get you water. Stop shouting.
No, I'm not shouting. Okay. That's the way my voice is. I'm not shouting. I'm not shouting. Yeah.
Calm down. Okay. You're done with eating the bread.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Stop! Stop shouting. Yeah, you're going to.
I said,
come. Wash your hands.
Sir. Wash your hands! Hey! Sir, yes, sir. Sir, wash out for which? Sir, wash up a band.
Touch this.
Sir, naked warrior.
Touch this!
Sir, you shock me now. Sir, you shock me, naked warrior.
It will not shock you.
It will shock me, sir.
It will not shock you.
Sir, you shock me, just.
I say touch this. I should touch this.
Hey, what? Go press clutch.
Which one be clutch? You don't dey press everything. You don't dey knack this motor since 8 a.m. He no gree start for this kind of time.
I go one polish you dey crazy. You chop inside pepper soup. I say go press clutch, idiot.
I don't fire.
I'm way lele. You don't go do freedom for here. Close. Yeah, wait. What?
Huh?
You dey mad? You want kill me?
Oh, come what did you for me?
What you press? Hey, press call. You dey
press call.
Oh, yeah, go ready. I say make you press call. You dey press me. Say yeah. I say make you press clutch. I come.
Hello. You just say the customer say you don't know this one.
Hello, beautiful. Sorry to scare you.
Are you mad? Did you just touch me?
No, I didn't touch you. I just hold you, please. May you stop.
Excuse me, is there something wrong with you? Do I know you before? Do I know you before?
No, I don't know you. That's what I'm saying. Really, babe. Who be this fine guy? We get figure 8. Oh yeah, and I see you like this. I fall in love with you. That's what they call love in the first time. You won't be bad. Let me talk to this girl. Let me get her number. Oh yeah. As I see you, I know you like gym. We said we get gymnastics for you. You can come and hero. Oh yeah.
I don't think you're okay. Do I look like your type? Or do I look like your kind of person? Do I look like someone who is in your class? I don't know why they allow all these mad people roam the street. I don't get it. Excuse me, please, next time do not stop me. Do not touch me. Do not even say hello to me. Rubbish. Shoot.
Hey, I know. Hey, fine girl, wow, you don't share. We just shoot. What about shoot? Say mo just for me. You don't share farabalẹ̀. Now why are you dey? As you pass, mo ko eje ni omo. I know they fall in love with people. Why don't fall in love now? I go down reach 25 years. It's a one in a decade. So if I dey follow you talk, it's a love at first sight. You believe it. You don't share.
Excuse me, is there something wrong with you? What is going on here? Are you trying to... What is wrong with you?
Yo, fam.
You want money?
No, I don't want money.
So what do you want?
I want you.
Are you crazy?
I'm not crazy, fam.
You're fucking crazy,
I'm not fucking crazy. Oh no. I said to you move me wet.
You're a mad man.
I know you, man. No share. Let me and you feel. Hey, Wabi, if you move.
Are you crazy?
Crazy with you. Hey, go. Adadi pa. Oh no, the buruku. You were there saying you crazy. I am a bad guy. No, no, see. You know, see. You are my money face too. More, you like that. We raise on you.
Over week, kúrò lórí mi.
Kí ni gbàgbé yẹn jọ?
Àwọn olórí burúkú ni ìyá alájà rẹ̀. Àbí kò lè dá fún ẹni. Èmi kúnyàn. Ìwọ yọ wíìgì lórí mi. Ayé màá bá. Ìwọ. Èmi fagbó. Báàbù yẹ parí yẹ. Ìwọ dúró. Báàbù jẹ́ ìwọ gba wíìgì. Why you dey run?
Wetin do you?
Now you dey get my wig. Now you dey carry my wig come give.
I don't know.
You no know. E no go better for you. I say e no go better for you. You wan call him?
No.
Where the guy wey carry my wig give?
Na my oga, he pass like this.
Your oga? God go punish your oga. Your oga no go see better. Oya give am 2 goats a cost.
He like goat what?
Amen?
Anyway, go tell her go jam am.
Amen? Are you still dey hold my wig?
I don't know say na your own wig.
Make I calm down. My God save you.
That your girl a madman. You know say no. I for give her like 24 chicken. They go send her go Gobi, they go reject her. You know how much suffer I suffer to buy this thing? Go straight. You know how much? You know how much? You said they give you wig, you collect her. You know that's a wig pass wig. Eh? You don't know? Oh. Oh. How's my look? You look good. Are you beautiful? You look beautiful. I kiss you one, you kiss me too, you the crazy.
She don't go. Oh, Gami. Eh? Go. God go punish you. I know, Mama. Ayeni. Tangaleka. Tangaleka. Atomo po tangaleka. Tangaleka. Very good. When I go back to your frog jump. What did they do? Frog jump. What did they do? Frog jump. Why you got the cry? Oh, Gami, this thing no easy. No easy. Oh, my body just they weak me. Your body they weak you. Say that like this, you want to do police. You not go do freedom. How many frog jump where you don't wait? Let's say your body they weak you. How many I need to before them go give me recruitment? I don't tire. You don't tire. You to come to may you just go be for your body. Make me come do frog jump. Go tire. Eh. Okay. You go sit down. No. Be so you time sit down call out for me. Oh yeah, I dey hear. What do you they do? Frog jump. What do you they do? Frog jump. Come. Make I say something. You go bend down very well. Wait. I get my budget. Maybe I do frog jump. If you go see what I go do. I said that you no fit last. Now me they say make I do for job. See if you go operation like this, you say make they shoot you. Now me myself I go stay one corner like this. I go find you where I go make sure say I see your head. I go now head like this I go shoot you, give you one for you. Boy you go die. Officer of the law. Now many officer of the law. We don't care officer of the law. Wait. Government no go ask me anything. Idiot. Come why Yahoo boy never pass this road since? I tell you say this say that no look profitable today. Gami. Yeah. You talk say IGP he send us new uniform and the deployment letter to Lekki toll gate for SARS part 2. So why we no go? Say this boy don't get sense. May we go Lekki toll gate. Say those people where they say they want protest. Say they carry gun. No. Why IGP come say may we go Lekki toll gate? Eh? Say he makes sense. So maybe I go Lekki toll gate. May I go do it. May I go Lekki toll gate. May I go they shoot on our protesters. Now why we go just go there go. Why they fight for Obalede? Why they no deploy us go Obalede? Say may we go fight. You go fit go. I go fit go. You dey crazy. You see the kind gun where they shoot for Obalede? All the boys where they for Obalede they get gun pass police. You see for this country where we dey. I know the gun where they get no be all this kind gun. We hear gun where they get we hear boah. You go scatter because say may you go Lekki toll gate. Say they can't give you know wetin come dey vex me. All the car wey we never use all these days because say they wan do protest for Lekki toll gate. They can't go bring all those cars. Nah. They can't even contact wetin be him name Yomi Kaswa say make e so close for us because of pay camera. Top camera. How we dey? Oh yeah, go back to your first job. Oh, Gami, you dey crazy. I say go back to your first job. You say you dey crazy. Wetin you dey do? Frog jump. Okay. Wetin you dey do? Frog jump. Okay. Wetin you dey do? Frog. Hey, officer. See that car wey dey come. Stop am na Yahoo boy. Stop. Stop that motor. Stop. Hey, stop. Stop your motor. If you move, I'll shoot you. They did not put that table here. You know here where they say stop. What now? Hey! What now? Are you okay? Very good. Oh, hello. Well done. So, you are carrying tinted glass, Abi?
Excuse me.
If we say anything, I will slap your face. Why is your car tinted? Where's your tinted permit? You think you have access? Police say you should stop. You are still driving. Take. Tell you that this boy is a Yahoo boy. So this tinted permit, only this one for the 4 glass. Are you mad? How many glass of this car did you tinted? Only this one.
Yes.
For 4 glass.
Yes.
Tinted. Very good. After was.
Wait.
Be there.
I dey angry mood.
Why you say Yahoo boy? Calm down. You are mad. Very good. Alcohol. Offense number 2.
Drinking and driving.
What's all this one?
You will. Do you know the offense? 20 years imprisonment. You don't know your offense. You think we are playing here? Come here. You are drinking. What you do? Do you think it's food? You are drinking and driving.
We are just drinking.
Certain things you are okay. Officer Flo is talking and saying it's not a drink. This one is not a drink. Do you know the alcohol?
It's drink out of
I said the drink. Do you know the alcohol? You said that.
They're very high.
Why you finish am?
Come here.
Shut up! Say you don't know. Say this is evidence. Why you finish evidence? We can't get police station now. What will we go?
So what are we going to do now? Ogami, what are we going to do?
Hey, very good. Now you are talking like a citizen. Before they shout. This is how we are supposed to talk. Because now police is your friend. Police is your friend. The way we are shouting now, they will think we are not your friend.
What are we going to do?
Hey, very good. Oh yeah. Afterwards, make them pay 250K. Who do her?
You know how much you go pay if we carry go station.
Wait, who do her?
For waiting.
Oh, very good. Because we are playing. Afterwards, told this car.
Ogami, we know that to invite.
Near me.
You don't ready to talk?
Oh, near me. No talk now.
Yeah. How much you get?
I don't get any money. I don't go lie for you. I don't get anything.
I big bewa lori. Why you can't say me with name? Why you can't?
I know them money.
Hey, I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to talk too much. We have where we are going. So yeah, do transfer.
There's no service.
No service.
No service.
Hey. Anabra boy. Who that said there's no service?
There's no service now.
No, you there for?
Oh yeah, let's go to ATM. After that, enter the car. Enter. I'll blow your leg. You want to fight the door?
Enter the car, bro.
You dey vex? Oh yeah, hold the AC. ATM there for right there now. Wetin I dey drive? Say na today we dey come this thing. ATM ready for this area, no worry. Na no get anything wey person fit shop inside this car. Officer will share that back. So as na be Yahoo and I no get anything, na too stingy. Shebi say you no get anything. Five biscuit with this. See here.
Yahoo boy and lie.
Anambra Burna boy. Check there. You want to go after the law?
People stop us.
Which is the people they take?
Na police stop us.
You. Police. That's how.
Please wind down. Down. Good afternoon, gentlemen.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please, where are you guys going?
People hold us. The job say no great sense. No withdraw money for them.
Which of my people, please?
They're here.
They
They
back.
did back.
Exit the car. We are for police station.
S. Please, officer, bring these people down.
All of you, calm down. Calm down. Let's put the car key there. Let's put the car, sir. No. Right now, sir. Right now. Let's put the car, sir. Gaza. Where is sir?
Who are you people and where are you going to?
Well, thank you very much, Akita. This is Commander Shaggy. A question. My colleague.
Officer Wood. I'll be back up.
Yeah.
Where are you taking these people to?
Sir, people can. Hey, sir, they are criminals. So, I go. Okay. I go.
Silent.
Can you see them?
Where are you taking these people to?
We are taking them to prison. That's they still want to talk. We are taking them to prison. They are criminal offense.
So you pick them and you take them straight to prison without any prison warden, no going through the court.
No! Sir, you see what I say? That's why I say it's good, you see. As we are colleagues now, you have to misunderstand. See, hey, shut up. Are you the one they ask questions? They have already go to court. That's day before yesterday. In fact, they were fighting the case like this. But yesterday, the judge now said they had admitted and acquitted. So that we take them to court.
Shut up. Your English is confusing me. Admitted, acquitted. Those are two different words.
Sir,
which of them are you saying?
It's the two. It's the two. It's the offense. They rob bank. Hey, shut up. Shut up. They kill like 3 police. They kill 3 police. The case is not his fault case. That's why we're taking them to prison.
So you mean they killed people?
Hey. Sir, it's even what's that possible? It's even inside news.
Inside news.
Yes.
Mr. Man, hold on. What's your rank?
Sir?
Your rank?
Same. Ranka did it.
Ranka what?
Ranka did it. IGP. Superintendent. DPO, police station.
So your rank is confused?
No, I'm DPO. So I will not know the job.
And you are IG?
No.
I ain't be IG. Now, esprit de corps, I go kill all of them. Officer, bring them down. They are criminals. Come here.
Sir,
move.
Sir,
move. Kneel down.
Sir, let me see.
Leave my hand. How dare you hold me? How dare you hold the officer of the law?
I'm sorry, sir. You are officer. We are colleagues now. We not supposed to do like this. You are just embarrassing police uniform. You understand? See the uniform. See, these boys with they be criminal. You understand? We go ATM. They will go withdraw 250k. I will give you 150. You go take 100,000. You say go do okay. You go do alright.
So you want to turn me to a criminal police? You are a corrupt and you are a criminal police. Move. Sir. Oh, you are a thief. In fact, both of you are criminals. You want to corrupt me.
Sir, that's not why.
Now people like on the spoil Nigerian police.
Sir, why you do like this now? You no shout now.
You not there. You asking me not to shout.
Sir, see this uniform where I wear is for DPO. They make I need them.
Oh, so my uniform is mechanic.
Yes.
DPO kill you there. So me, I'm a mechanic, Abi. Yes. What?
Can I see you? How can I see you? We are not involved in all this. Please, senior, please, can I see you?
Do you have evidence that you are not involved in this criminal?
Yes.
Oh yeah? Move. Hey, don't hold me. How may I help you?
Make I see you, make we talk. Show your stand.
Hello? Excuse me. Can you go back? Did I ask you to get up?
Come here. Officer, I'm not talk too much. I know to transfer for you. More to go.
How much are we talking about?
Your account number, you might do 200k for you.
Bro. Mr. Man. Sorry. Sorry for the whole... You understand, eh? Kneel down there, you're still kneeling down. Sorry for the whole disturbance, eh? Sir, sorry, eh? You see, it is people like this that are disgracing the Nigerian police.
Sir, these people are criminals.
Shut up! No. You would die in Kirikiri. You would die in Ragbo. Sorry, eh? You drive safe, eh?
Yes.
Innocent people, eh?
They have guns at the back.
They even have guns. They have guns.
No. Them get guns. Is that gun?
You people will die in jail.
No, now I'm gone. No, these people are criminals. They are thief. I'm robber. No, them get gun.
You have a gun. Sorry, eh? Sorry, eh? These are the real criminals. Now then, these are the real criminals. You can see, anything you want, I'll do to them. If you want me to match them, we'll match them. Just so.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, now don't finish. You guys are the real criminals.
And
you will rot in jail for disgracing Nigerian police. You. Allah is your next hometown. And you. Start putting our uniform now. And you. Give it up. Hey! This is the real Yahoo boy. Look at police officer blonding his hair. Okay. You are dead, sir. Shut up. If I hear ping from your mouth, seal your mouth. Officers, mount that place. For security reasons, 2 of you go and mount that place. This place is secure. Don't worry, leave here for me. Go and mount that place. Mount it. Yeah. Look at that gate. Face that gate. Yes. Where did we stop?
Sir, now waiting with the try tell you. See, we say 30k.
You dey craze? No. Do I look like a 30k police officer? Okay, sir, we go do 40. 35, we go do 40. 35 punish you there. 100,000.
Okay, how much is that? How much is that? Wait, they call it. I've done that. One, sir.
Sir, okay, we go do 50k. Yeah, do it now.
Thank you.
I need evidence, so.
We go do am now. You just call your account number. Call your account number. I mean, put on 1 piece. 02.
Officer!